Hey everybody, Jeffrey here. Look at these trees that line my backyard fence. They go on and on. I'm definitely not looking forward to fall this year. The property behind me is basically now a forest. There was once a house that sat on it until 2014 when tornadoes came through, sucked it up, blew it over my house and into a field across the street. Anyway, this area is going to get a complete overhaul, trim back soon. And then maybe next summer, plant it up. It's very shady back here, so my choices are a little bit limited. Alright, talk to you guys in the next one.